Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Have you ever been trying to free yourself from the traditional 9 to 5 job and working on your terms? If you have, then you've come to the right place. Because today we are diving into the world of freelancing, and I'm going to use Upwork as an example for this tutorial. So let's jump right in. So this is the layout of Upwork. You can see different jobs here, and you can see this column on the right. So we will start exploring this column first. The first thing you need to do is to complete your profile to reach 100%. And by completing your profile, you need to fill number of different sections. So by clicking on complete your profile, you will see these sections, starting with the employment history, which is your experience. Then video introduction, which is a short 30 to 60 seconds video introducing your services that you give as a freelancer. Next is certifications, then linked accounts, which are your social media accounts, and finally other experiences which are not related directly to your job. After completing your profile to 100%, you will be able to find jobs that are on point and that are related to your skills. Next is the number of connects, and simply connects are a way through which you can apply to different jobs. And connects are limited monthly, so you need not to spam apply for every job you see. Next is the preferences, which describe your type of work. So you can specify here the number of working hours per week, the visibility, the job preferences, and the categories, which is the most important part in this section because it will determine the type of jobs that will appear in your home. So to edit these categories, you can click on this pen icon where you will find many categories and many subcategories. You can just check on each of these skills that you can provide as a freelancer so that it will be included in your homepage. Next is proposals, and in proposals you can see two pieces of information. The first one is your proposals that you applied for, and the second one is the invitations, which is the opposite for proposals, where the recruiter himself directly messages you as an invitation to the interview. And this way, this method is way much easier for you to acceptance because the recruiter has picked you as a person and invited you to an interview. Next is the project catalog, where you can just post a project and give it or display it for sale. Now let's move on to the jobs that are presented in our home screen. So we have three sections or three tabs: the best matches, the most recent, and the saved jobs. In best matches, these are the jobs that Upwork believe they are the best match for you, while in most recent it displays the jobs that all the jobs that are related to your skills, but they are arranged descendingly based on the date of posting. And if I liked any of these jobs and I decided to click on this heart icon at the right, this one, it will appear in saved jobs. So let's just apply for the first job. Now you can see the description of this job. Let's just wait for it to load. And you can also see some information which are related to the client, where you can see the total reviews of the client and the numbers of jobs posted and the hires and hiring rate. So my advice is not to accept any client. Make sure that the client has more than 4 stars rating and has more than 50% higher rate, or it's not worth it to apply because your chances of being accepted is very low. So if I were you, I will not apply for this job because of the low higher rate percentage. You can also see the total number of proposals applied and the total reviews and detailed reviews of this client. So if I clicked on apply now, you will now be able to insert some information like, let's just wait, like the your bidding and the milestones after which you want to be paid, and the duration of the project, and your cover letter or your proposal, which is the most important part of your application process. You can also record a video or upload an attachment. You can add an Upwork highlight or add a portfolio project as an increase of or increasing the attractiveness of your proposal. And once you are done, you can send the proposal for 9 connects. So these are the total number of connects that is gonna be consumed after applying for this proposal. And this is how easy you can use Upwork as as a freelancing tool. So that's it for this video, guys, and this is how you can dive into the world of freelancing. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel to receive our future content. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in more tutorials. Until then, take care and goodbye.